This is an original Jimmy Lile push button lock blade. It's not an automatic. You just push the button to unlock it, to fold it shut, and to as well as to open it, you have to push the button. It's got a serial number on it here somewhere, as well as a date inside. It's got a date stamp inside, and a back spring. Just recently purchased this from an estate sale. It also has a crack here on the handle at the one of the pins here. Doesn't seem to hurt anything, but there's a crack there. I think someone probably carried this, maybe used it a little bit. It's from the 1980s. Very nice, very nice. The edge was just a little bit rough when I brought it home, and I stropped it. Gave it about 20 strokes on a stropping compound. Leather strop with green compound in it. That brought it right back up to hair popping sharp.